Hi guys, this is IC from Apparelwin. As you know, we provide small quantity production service and we have collaborated with so many fashion brands. Some of them are asking if we can do commercial photos for them. So we recently released our photo shooting service and we have our own photo shooting team. So today just want to show you guys how it works. A picture can speak 1,000 words, so a good images can transmit brand's value. And our goal is to provide services that resonate with our clients and help them to deliver well beyond the ordinary. So these are all the styles that we need to do photo shooting today. And as you know, we do custom for almost all kinds of style. And so we're capable to handle photo shooting for all kinds of clothes. So it will be 7 to 10 pictures per style, includes 4 pictures of both front and back side, and 3 to 4 details pictures. We do photo shooting as long as your samples are finished and retouching the images and then send it to you, and you will get a chance to post the photos onto your website immediately, which means you can really save your time and budget.